Hi guys, so I'm gonna tell you how to remove this from your iPad, anything on phone, because this thing stuck in your phone sometimes. So you don't need anything like a straw or anything. You just need this thing. When this is inside, you can just put glue on inside of it, or you can just uh, mm, shove it in and just tilt it a little bit so it stucks in there, and then pull it out. I'm not gonna do this with my phone because I'm recording with my phone, and I'm not gonna risk my phone. So yeah, you can do this easily. You don't need any straw because that's such a drag. So yeah, that's all. You can apply glue if you want here inside it. It will be easier if you have super glue, or you can easily tilt it so it stuck in there and then pull it out like fastly there, like this. So it's more convenient. Yeah.